Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to talk a bit on tense and its types. What does tense mean? So in this video we are going to cover three different topics. The first one is tense definition, types of tenses, sub-branches of tenses. Tense. What does tense mean? The word tense is derived from the Latin word tempus, which means time, period, era, etc. Or its second definition is tense is the form of the verb which tells about time. Types of tenses. We have three different types of tenses. The first one is present tense. Present tense definition is an action that is currently going on, habitually performed, or a state that currently or generally exists. Its second type is past tense. The past tense refers to the actions or events that happened in the past. Future tense, it generally marks the event described by the verb as not having happened yet but expected to happen in the future. Its examples are: he goes to school every morning. So going to school is what? Is habit. It's about present, means he performs or she performs this action on daily basis. The second one is she understands English. And the third is about past. His father died last year, means that event or that action happened in the past. He lived in California in 1796 or 1976. I will give a speech in the program. So it means that the action which I am going to perform, that will be happened or that will happen in the future. Alice will assist you in this case. So Alice will support you in this case. Alice will help you in this case. So this action will happen in future. Present tense. Present tense has four types. Present indefinite tense, which we also call present simple tense. The second one is present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. So these all we will discuss in the upcoming video. The second one is past tense. Past indefinite tense, or we can also call it past simple tense. Past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Future tense. Future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. So I hope this video has been helpful for you. If this video sparked your interest, I invite, request or suggest you to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.